Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Earrings by Angela channel. This is Angela. I am here to speak with you and to you for our Zen series. We are talking about prioritizing. We're going to talk about the difference between urgent things that we feel are important and things that are really just non essential, right? Because we need to free up our time, you guys. We need to take our time back. That's what I encourage you to do because that's the only way, one of the only ways that you're going to find balance in your life. The only way you're going to find that calm and bring that harmony back in because, y'all, it's a Zen thing. Not a thing, but a thing. Got to put the funk on it. Y'all with me? So let's talk about the three different areas. And we're going to do this really quickly because urgent means that it has to be done like right now, like in this moment, like let's go. No doubts about it. It has to get done. There's a deadline. It's due in 2 hours. We got to get it done. Then we talk about important. Important is things that need to be done, but they may have a different time. So they may not be urgent. It may not need to be done today, but at the end it needs to be done. It's non-essential. Non-essential will be stuff that really is not going to serve you at all. Like it's something that maybe someone else wants you to do that you may feel guilty about saying no to, right? Or something that's just going to weigh your spirit down. That's where we need to exercise our no, right? So let's talk about these three things because these are the three things that you need to write when you're starting your day. When you're planning your day, first of all, it's important to plan your day. Plan your day. Because guess what happens if you don't have a plan for your day? Someone else does. You better believe it as we say, you bet your sweet bippy. If you don't have a plan for you, someone else does. I can guarantee someone will call your phone, they will text you, or they will email you, or they will DM you something that they want you to do. There's a favor that they're going to ask of you. There's a demand that they're going to try to put on you. So in the morning when you wake up or before you go to bed at night to plan your day, you write down the three urgent things, the three important things, and three things that are non-essential that you decide, yeah, I want to do it. Nah, I'm not feeling it. Do that list every day, and that's how you build your day. So urgent would be, okay, I know that if I'm working on something, there's a deadline of the thing has to be done tomorrow. I need to get that done today. That definitely goes on my list today, right? Definitely goes on the list. Something else that may go on the list that's urgent, you know, making sure that you fill out your time card because time sheets go in tomorrow. That's urgent. You got to get that done. You know, maybe you're preparing for a live that you're conducting. You need to make sure the last minute details are happening. That's urgent because that's happening today. Something important, you might need to schedule your doctor's appointment. It may not be happening today, but that means it's still important. You want to make sure that that's done because health is wealth, correct? Yes. Yes, indeedy, sweet Louie. Yes, it is. You know, other important things. Now, non essential would be, you know, hey, you want to meet for drinks? That's something you can say yes or no to. You know, um, depending on your schedule, what you want to do. Non-essential. Can you babysit this weekend? Yes or no. So non-essentials are yes or no, really yes or no questions. And the important section is things that are important to you, not important to somebody else, important to you because you got to fill your cup first. Okay? Make sure that you get what you need to get done first. And then you can pour over into the others. I mean, unless this is urgent, like someone needs a ride to the emergency room or something like that. Yeah. Urgency. You know what urgency is. Buying the outfit for this party is not urgency. Is that something you can live without? Yeah, we gotta think about that. But so let's learn to prioritize our needs versus what others need from us. Now, I'm not saying don't help anyone else out, but you cannot serve from an empty cup. How many of y'all have heard that? If you have heard the saying that you cannot serve from an empty cup, give me a raise your hand emoji in the comment section. Hmm? Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. I hope it makes sense to you. So let's prioritize and put things where they need to go in accordance to keeping your sanity, creating that balance. You know, don't take your work home. Mm-mm. No, don't take your work home. Leave your work at work so that you can be with your family. Actually, be with your family when you get off. You make time. You have to create that balance between work and play and family, right? So I hope that helped you. It helped me because I had never thought about that. I shouldn't say I never, because never is catastrophic, but I hadn't really realized that until I started organizing, and my life flowed a lot better because I found that I was doing more for others than I was doing for myself. Then I would get mad, like, I didn't get my stuff done. Well, because guess what? You didn't put your stuff first. Hmm? Yeah. So it's a thing. And it's hard because especially as a parent, you feel I can't speak for everybody, but I felt guilty. Cause I'm like, oh, I gotta do this, but no, I want to do this for myself. Oh, but you know what? I'm gonna wait because my son needs this or whatever, or I gotta do this. Yeah, yeah. So I know how hard it is for us to prioritize sometimes, but let's make a better effort and watch your life change. You'll be like, dang, why I didn't do this before? And it is true. If you don't make a plan, somebody else already has a plan. Like, well, I know they're not doing nothing, so I'm gonna have her do this for me. Da, 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 da. No, 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 no. That's not how it's going down today. So let me know um, if you focus more on the urgent, important, or non-essential area, or do you just kind of just go with the flow? Let me know in that comment section too. And if this video helped you in any way, give us a like. That would be delicious. Share this video with others, and hey, just become part of the conversation. I'd love to hear your point of view from this. Okay, so peace and blessings to you all. Love y'all.